Today we're going to do CAD 1. Okay, CAD 1 in the classroom is the angle spacer at the end of the chapter, exercise 1. Okay, it's on page 1-38. So we're going to do a new drawing. So we'll hit new, make sure it says that. Okay, and then we're going to start off. We got our blank slate. So what we got to do is we got to decide where to start from. Okay, so if you look at the angle spacer, you'll notice that it's got all the dimensions around there on just about everything except for one line. So what I want to do is I want to start at the left-hand side at the top of that corner at the top of the 1.25 dimension. So we're going to start here, we're going to click line, and we're going to come down. Now, we're going to do a little bit of math. We know that this whole line is 1.25. The bottom part is 0.25 and the middle part is 0.5, so that leaves 0.5. So we'll go 0.5. So just type in 0.5. Now, that's kind of small, so I'm going to zoom in on it. Remember, roll your cursor towards the screen. Roll your mouse wheel towards the screen. So this one's going to be 0.75 in. Okay, then you're going to go 0.5 down. Then you can come back out. Now watch this. I can line up with that. Now notice I'm not clicking on that. I'm just touching it with the cursor. It's going to give me a blue line. Just slowly drag down until it snaps into place. There you go. Now it's totally lined up. Now we're going to come down 0.25 from there. And we're going to go across 3. And then we're going to go up. Now, if you look at you got 3 dimensions over there. You got a 1.0, a 1.5, and a 2.0. We want the 1.5. We want to go up to that corner, but not all the way up to the top. So I'm going to type in 1.5. So that gets us there. Now, we don't know how long this is or what the angle is, but we do know that we've got a dimension here, okay, of 0.75. So I'm going to go 0.75 over. And total distance from bottom to top is going to be 2. We've gone up 1.5, so that leaves 0.5. So I'll go up another 0.5. And then I'll just go back to this corner and click there. Now, I'm going to hit escape to get out. Now, you got to pick these two. There's 3 ways to do it. You can either pick them individually, pick here and pick here, or you can pick here and then drag and pick here. Now, you're picking, letting go, and then dragging, and then picking again, and that'll pick both of them. Or you can pick one like this. Once again, pick, let go, and drag, and pick this one, okay? That's 3 different ways. My personal favorite is to do it this way, because that gets both of them in one fell swoop. Then you just hit the delete key, or you can hit this, or you can right click and hit erase. There's a billion different ways to do stuff. I like using the delete key, not backspace, delete. Now this is going to be 1 inch, so we'll just type 1, and then all we have to do is click on the end point of this line, and that gets our outline. Now I'm going to hit escape to get out of that. Now we've got to get our circle, and once again we'll start in the corner with a helper line. We're going to come over 1, and we're going to go up also 1. Okay, so there's our thing. So I'll hit cancel on that. We can erase this line. Remember, click once, let go, drag, click a second time, then hit the delete key. Now we've got to get our diameter here, because you'll notice it has the symbol in front of the 1. Okay, so we're going to do diameter. So make sure it's center diameter. Snap to the end point, click there, drag out, type 1. Enter, and then click once, drag down, click a second time, and hit delete, and you have finished CAD 1. Come over here, click where it says, right there where it says top, and that will center your drawing. Okay, now we're going to save it. So you go to this thing right here, it'll say save. Okay, and it's the 4th button over. First button is the main menu. Okay, second button is new. 3rd button is open. That's save. So you want to click on save. Once again, so that gives you all of this, and you can hit save from there too. Hit the down arrow and there's a save, and there's also save right here. Okay? And if you'll notice, it gives you a shortcut. You can type in QSave, and it's quick save. Okay, well let's use this one. So save, okay, and you'll come under documents, and you want to call this, since it's our first one, we'll call it CAD 1. CAD 1, just like that, and we'll save it. Okay, so now we've got it saved to documents. We're going to go back up to the printer. Okay, hit the plot button. Remember to change this to AutoCAD PDF. Okay, fit the paper, center the plot. Let's do a preview to see what it's going to look like. So that's what you're going to turn in. Well, you have the plot thing over here in the corner again, so we're going to click that, and it's going to ask you for a name. CAD1 model will work. Okay, just use that. Remember to save your drawing first before you export it to a PDF. Then you just hit the save button, and you'll look for that to turn in. So there you go. That one's done. Okay, so now you finished CAD 1, you can move on to CAD 2. Use the same methods. I also have a video for that one probably as well.